Yeah, okay, let's talk about motorbikes for a minute. This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Road King Special. This is a 2002 Honda Fireblade. This bike has ABS, traction control, cruise control. It's comfortable. You can take it on long trips. You can go motorcycle camping. This bike makes a lot of sense. This bike has none of that. This bike makes about as much sense as putting shock tarts in Zima like we used to do back in '02. This bike has about as much technology in it as that. Okay, so I picked this guy up for a song. They said it needed a new motor. I put it in gear, rolled it back and forth. The motor seemed free. I pulled the spark plugs out, cranked over just fine. So I did a compression test. Compression test looked good. Did a leak down test. Leak down test looked good. So I pulled the gas tank off, cleaned it out, put a new fuel pump in it, and thing fired up. Oh, it sounds good. It just started right up, no problem. The bike's got a lot of problems, you know. Somebody got in here and bypassed a relay. You know what? It's a performance modification and it's fine. Let's just ignore it. Okay. All right. It's got no front brake, but you know, guys have been riding around old Harleys with no front brakes for years, so that's also fine. Whoever had this really wanted to have a black bike. There's a lot of stuff on here that's been spray painted black, like here, and calipers have been spray painted black as well. It's got a Two Brothers racing exhaust on it, including the head pipe all the way back. It needs a lot of work. It's going to need new tires and brakes. It's going to need somebody to clean off all this old spray paint. But you know what? I really like these early 2000s Fireblades. They're really, really cool looking bikes. So I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I'm thinking about doing a full restoration. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. If I do, I'll pull the motor, clean it all up, repaint the frame, repaint the tank, get new fairing, fix all the electrical issues, fix the brakes. I'm pretty happy with it. The last time it was registered was 2014. I'm assuming that's the last time it ran as well. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it yet. For right now, I know that it runs. So yeah, if you have any ideas what I should do with it, let me know.